In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export project from Replit. By the end, you'll have a clean, zipped copy of your project saved to your computer, ready to share, back up, or move into another editor. First, open your Replit app, or the specific project you want to export. Give it a moment to fully load your files and editor. Replit usually saves your work automatically, so you shouldn't have to click anything to save, but it's a good habit to make sure any recent changes have synced before you download. Next, look toward the top right of the interface for the pane icon that toggles the Files panel. Click it to open the Files pane on the right side. If you don't see it right away, try widening your browser window or collapsing other panels so the icon becomes visible. The goal here is simply to bring the Files pane into view, because that's where the export option lives. With the Files pane open on the right, move to the very top right corner of that pane and click the three dots icon. This opens a small menu of file-related actions. From that menu, choose the option labeled Download as Zip. The moment you select this, Replit will bundle the project's files into a single compressed zip archive, and your browser should begin downloading it automatically. That's all there is to it. Once the zip finishes downloading, you'll find it in your browser's default downloads folder, unless you've chosen a different location. The zip file contains your project's files and folders just as they appear in Replit. When you're ready to use them locally, extract or unzip the archive on your computer, then open the project in your editor of choice. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If your project is large or includes many dependencies, the download may take a bit longer. Just let it finish. Keep in mind that some environment-specific items, like temporary files or secret environment variables, won't be part of the download for security and consistency reasons. If the download doesn't start, check that your browser isn't blocking downloads or pop-ups from Replit. And if you plan to share the zip, make sure it only contains the files you intend to distribute. You've now exported your project from Replit in just a few clicks. This is a simple and reliable way to back up your work, move it to a different machine, or hand it off to collaborators who prefer working locally. Thanks for watching, and happy building.